Hello, we're going to be doing deriving second equation of motion, okay? And the second equation of motion is derived from the two formulas for average velocity. So let me start with the first formula for average velocity. So the first formula for derivation of second equation of motion. Okay, now the first formula of average velocity is average velocity is equal to u plus v divided by 2. It's just like saying you are finding the average of your age and my age. You will add the two ages and then divide by 2. So the average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. Okay, so now from here we have established, okay, if you have not seen the former video, please try and check, okay, the derivation of the first equation of motion. Okay, we have been able to establish that the first equation of motion is equal to v is equal to u plus what, 80. We have established this in the other video. So we are going to replace this v here with this. Okay, so if we do that, it means let's use this to represent average velocity is equal to u plus what? If I put this in place, that means this is going to be replaced with u plus 80. We'll have u plus what? 80 all over 2. So this becomes u plus u, you have 2u plus what? 80 all over 2. Okay, so this is also the same thing as what? 2u all over 2 plus what? 80 all over 2. Okay, 2 we cancel 2 and then we have v is equal to what? U plus what? 80 all over 2, or half 80. Okay, so now let's call this equation hashtag. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to do with the second formula that we know for average velocity, and the second formula for average velocity is average velocity is equal to displacement over time, or distance over time. So we have this formula for average velocity. So we have average velocity is equal to displacement or distance all over time. Okay, displacement over time, or I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing. Displacement over time displacement over time or distance over time. So we have average velocity. If I'm using this as my average velocity, is equal to what? Distance over time. Okay, so let's call this equation hashtag. Okay, so now if we equate equation hashtag, that means we have established on the other side that v is equal to, can you say this? V is equal to, so we have v is equal to u plus what? 80 all over 2 as equation hashtag. And then we've been able to establish here that what? V is equal to s over t as what? Hashtag. So we are going to combine this equation. Since average velocity is equal to this, average velocity is equal to this, so we equate the two equations. Or you can say, okay, let's substitute this average velocity with this, or you substitute this average velocity with this one. Okay, so now we have u plus what? 80 all over 2 is equal to s over t. Okay, permit me to wipe the other side so that we can do this problem solving together. So from here, we can have u plus at all over 2 is equal to s over t. If we cross multiply, we have u plus what? At over 2 multiplied by t is equal to s. We cross multiply. So let's open the bracket. We have what? U t times u ut. This times this will give us what? At squared all over 2 is equal to what? S. Okay, now let me change s to the other side. So we have s is equal to what? Ut plus what? Half at squared. This is the second equation of motion. This is the second equation of motion. So where s is the distance, u is the initial velocity in meter per second, t is the time taken in second, half is a constant, a is the acceleration in meter per second square, and then t is the time taken. Thank you very much. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.